Hello there, Red Wing teachers and students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the camera app on the Chromebook and just all the features that go along with it to hopefully help you with projects or save time or things like that. If you go down to the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little circle. This is where all your apps are stored. The camera icon is a blue circle with a white camera in the middle of it. If you use the camera quite often, you can right-click. I had it pinned to the shelf, so if you right-click, you can either pin it to the shelf or you can just drag the camera icon right down into the shelf down here, so you can use it more often. And so here, just click on the camera icon, and I want to go through all the features here. On the left-hand side, in the upper left-hand corner, is the settings. And here you have photo resolution. Basically, it's medium or full. I would keep it on full. That's obviously the best. If you need to switch the aspect ratios, right now it's at 4:3, which is kind of your standard. If you need a wide screen or different things like square, you have other options there to choose. And then the other two is just feedback and help from Google. Here is just your mirror option. Right now it's on mirror option. If I turn that off, you can see the screen in the upper right-hand corner and the one in the middle are doing two different things because I pulled that mirror off. Usually mirror is what you want to have. Then you have a grid option. So if you want to make sure everything's filling the grid, filling the photo, this is a 3x3 grid. You can do a 4x4 grid, or you can have something called the golden ratio. If you don't know what the golden ratio is, please contact your local math teacher. And then if you wanted to, there's a time duration. I have it off right now, but if you wanted to count down from 3 seconds or count down from 10 seconds to take a photo, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the grid off. Then I want to go through these options down here on the bottom. So here we have video. The first option is just a normal video. The other one is a GIF, an animated GIF. That is going to have a time limit of 5 seconds. So you just hit record. Okay, and it's just your normal GIF that things get sped up, and after 5 seconds, it's going to start processing right away. And you're going to see how that GIF looks, and then you can save it. Sharing it is really the only option to share it would be to copy it if you're going to send that someplace like in Google Classroom. If you don't like what it is, you need to retake it or just go back to the main menu. You click on retake there. The middle one is photo. That's pretty self-explanatory. It's just a picture. And then there is a feature called scan. If you had a document that you needed to scan, you just hold that document up no matter the size, and you can hit the record button right there. And there's a couple of different options for you to do. You can save it as a PDF. You can save it as a photo. Once again, you can share just how it is. But this one has a little different. You can fix it, right? So it took the best it could of the document, but let's say I wanted to kind of cut those fingertips out of the picture there, maybe a little bit. Maybe bring this one over to the corner, and then you can just click done, and then it's going to have a little bit better snippet of what that is. Once again, save as PDF, save as photo, but if you just want to go back to the main menu, or if you don't like the way it turned out, you need it a little bit closer, a little bit further away, whatnot, you can just click retake and it'll come back here. The other thing for scan is a QR. So QR code, most QR codes these days are going to bring you to a website. You just hold the QR code up just like you did with the document, let the camera read it, and then it's going to give you some options on what to do. Usually it just sends you to the website that the QR code is coded for. So there are obviously all sorts of different options with this camera. Hopefully you're able to use its full capabilities on both the teacher side and the student side.